Yeah, I'll just show a little quick video here. We're getting so much rain. It's so wonderful. But what you'll see there in the darkness is a rock wall or dirt wall. At the base of that dirt wall, we get rain, and for several weeks after rain, we'll have a seep of water right there at the base. And that drains all the way down. It slopes all the way down. This is actually a walkway between two garden beds. One there, and my oldest garden bed here. Come down this little walkway, and you may be able to see it in the video. Probably not. You see this water standing, okay? And I'll have to put something in it, like a piece of grass or something, but it's just gently flowing, very slowly. This has actually been dug out, trenched out very slightly. It isn't going to show up on camera. But you might be able to see it right there. Get my finger from too close, so it's going to autofocus. Right there is a little, and that curves around like so. Okay, let's follow that. This is that water. It's in that trench that I just pointed out. You see the water down in there? Right. And that is flowing all the way down. There. That water in there. This is a trench. This part of the trench, you see the water down inside, is around probably about 8 to 10 inches deep. So we came from that rock wall. We've dropped in elevation. This direction, where my finger is actually the top of a hill. Water flows down this way as well. And I've started, this is something I'll do a video on. You've heard about swales in permaculture. I've got a dirty way to do it. See this right here? That's a brush pile. And it goes all the way around in half moon fashion. See there? All the way around this way. That's the hill up there. As you can see, the hill comes down, and just right here is where the water gets stopped, driven into the ground to help capture some of that water. So all that accumulates. There's that trench I was pointing out, and that trench flows all the way around. The water all the way around and into the hand-dug pond. Then you've got your, so this is the outlet for that little trench. It flows into this, which meets up with the seasonal creek, that direction. I showed in another video, into the hand-dug pond. Now I've got two drains on the pond, two overflow drains. One is there, which moves the water higher in the landscape. That's uphill. And then the original drain, which is right here. This drain will start draining first. And if we get a lot of capacity, then this drain, it will overflow, and this drain will actually start flowing down the original creek. And this actually makes the water flow right behind my garden beds. I have garden beds right here. So right now that hole is all messed up. I haven't worked on the pond in a while, so I have to recontour the top of the edge of the pond to make it drain right, because now the original drain is draining here instead of here, and the original drain kicks in before the drain higher in the landscape. So I just wanted to show you how I'm controlling the water flow on this section of the yard. Now the converted yard, this direction, I've showed in some videos. The water flow for that's a different ball game. None of the water I just showed in any way deals with that part of the yard. But I just wanted to give you a little video on some of the things I'm doing to trap water, to capture it, so the landscape can use it.